Okay, how are you? How are you? Once again, I am here just to remind you how to use one candlestick strategy for you and using two indicators. It is one indicator, two-in-one indicator code. It is one indicator that I have divided into two, and it is called. This thing is not working. Exponential moving average indicator. So let me show you how I make $10 per day or even more when I trade with $10. I make sure that I make $30 per day. This is a trade of $4. This is a trade of $4. You see, I have rent. Binance has given me 20% of my capital. I hope you can now see. 20% of my capital. When you take my capital, 88, you can divide by 20 and you see. Yes, my capital now. So let me show you how I am trading this on live chat. Let me show you on live chat how you can too. As you can see, I am trading ADA, and if you can check, in all my trades on this channel are based on one candlestick strategy. So before the market goes down, I had marked this candle, the previous green candle that you are seeing in 4 hours. Do you see? The candle that I had marked was this one. Do you see? And it was before the crossover. Do you see? So when this blue line crosses over the black line, you can see this is a black line and the blue line is starting to cross, which means it will continue to cross and go up, up, up. You see? So that means even if you can hold this trade on both spot and the future, you make a good amount of money. You can see here it has even created a gap. Do you see? It is bouncing, making, which means you have high liquidity here. Yes, look here, we have got even a gap here. Do you see? Which means there is a high volatility rate. So here you can see, if this line crosses over, sorry, there is an update. So I was telling you, when you see that, imagine you have marked this candle while this one is printing. This is how, watch all the videos and watch out to see what is going on. This candle that you are seeing had just closed and others were not around. These were not around. You see? So I had to mark. So I waited for the market, as I'm always telling you, for the market to come back inside. But for here, I was also trading going down because I know that pattern. Then here you can see it has formed a bullish pin bar. Do you see? This is this bullish pin bar, and also set two exponential moving average. One make it 20, another one 200. Did you see? So when the 20, this is the 20. The 20 is the one which is blue, and the biggest is the one which is 200. So when a 20 moving average, this is a 20, this is a 200. In your setup, when you put these lines, you tap on one line. It is one line that you put twice and you make it 20. You can see you can edit after putting 20, then you press OK. Then again you can edit another one when you insert another one, but with the same, and you change. You just go on input and you change with 200. Then on style here, it is where you select the line. You tap on here then you select the line and the color that you want to represent that. So you decide these two because the first one is invisible. Do you see? So, and you tap OK. So this is how I normally trade this one candlestick. So another thing that I can share with you, you can see when you see a crossover going downwards, you trade going short. Do you see? You go short, and whenever you see that these lines that you have put have crossed over, you go long, going upward. That's when you go long. Do you see? When they cross over here, going upwards, you go long. So that's how you have to trade this one candlestick strategy. Do you see? The crossover happened here, and the blue line is going up. This is simplest method even a younger child can use. You see? The blue line has crossed over a 200 line. What you need, you put these two lines just so there is no need of leaving this market, because you can see whenever the crossover happens, there is a big move. So even here there is a big move. So if we can go in 1 hour, let me show you. If we can go in 1 hour, you're gonna see what is going on. Okay, even in 1 hour, do you see what is going on? Look, even in 1 hour there was a crossover, which means it started from here. When this crossed over, the market continued going up. Do you see? That's why I traded with $4, and now they are almost 10. You see? Here there is a high volatility rate. Do you see? So let's go in 1 day and check. In 1 day it is, do you see? Yeah, this is a daily time frame. Do you see? And this line is above 200. When it is above 200, means we are targeting almost this level. So there is no need of leaving the market. Do you see? So we are remaining with 7 hours to go bullish. Do you see? So these I every day I share my signals. Let me show you. You can see, because I have many people. You can see here I was showing the crossover. I have been sharing all the signals, all the signals, all the signals, all the signals, all the signals I give you. You can see this was a signal of XRP. Let me show you XRP. It was like this. Then let's go and see for BNB. Let me show you BNB. For BNB, look, this even Pepe.
This is how you can trade.
Do you see? You can see this was a short signal. Do you see? It was GBP USDT, even in Forex. But for me, I'm trading crypto. However, sometimes I give some signals to Forex for free, everything for free. Let me show. Here there is a crossover. Even if I can enter here, do you see? Means this market will continue to go up. In 4 hours, you can see there is a crossover, which means this is a big assurance for me to enter the market. As you can see here, it crossed over and the market went down. It crossed under, then here it is crossing over. These two lines are so important. So you can see, let me go on XRP. On XRP, you can see I had given people this signal before. Let me go and show you. And when there is this crossover, means the market is going to continue pumping. I enter without hesitation. Let me show you this signal where I have given them. Even on BNB. On Solana, Ethereum, look, there is a crossover. Do you see? This is money. From here means Ethereum is going to go up. Yes, because there is a crossover. That's why I can't fail to get signal. Eh? On Ethereum in 4 hours you can see there is a crossover. Do you see? Okay, for here you can see there is also a crossover. Here you can enter and make that amount of money without hesitation. Other, the one that I'm trading, you can see there is a crossover now. Bionode, Solana, you can see it is going up. There is a crossover. BNB. Okay, let me show you for BNB now. For BNB, I had marked 1 hour candle. Let me show you the other 1 hour candle. You can see there was a consolidation here. The market was consolidating in one space. Do you see? Until it broke out, which means after breaking out, this market is going up again. Do you see? So let me go in 1 hour and show you. Okay, this is what I have been telling you. Whenever I mark 1 hour, do you see? Whenever I mark, I know that the market is going up. Which, do you see? So means people have traded from here all the way up. I have given this signal to the group, and they have made good amount of money. I know. Yes. I had marked, okay, I had marked this 4 hour candle, this 4 hour candle that you are seeing, this one. This is the one that I had marked. You mark at the highest and the opening. Watch all the videos. So for here, you can see there is a breakout. After this consolidation, there is a breakout. So the market is coming back inside. So how do you mark now? You go, whenever you see that in market, you mark from there. You don't put to the wick. You see? Let's remove that. Then you mark also the wick below. Don't put the wick above. But make sure that to mark the green candle is when you are seeing, you can see this is a strong green candle, and you wait for the market to come back inside. You pick a box, a rectangle, this rectangle, this one. After picking it, you mark from here. You see? Okay. Here you will want the market to go inside. Sometimes it goes up and goes inside. Then you pick your entry here. Yes, then you go up. You see, that's how I trade a breakout. So this is the simplest method that I have ever used, and it makes a lot of money. It makes a living. I am not a financial advisor to you, but you can make a good amount of money, good cash. Yes. So let me go to the group where I have shared these signals. Let me show you. Look, I have shared Ada now, and now they are in profit. They are making money. Do you see? You can see this is our group of signals. We get free signals every minute. You can see I had told them, let me show you. You can see I am using these two exponential moving averages, and I had given them XRP, and then I think you have seen how XRP has gone up. Yes, so look, these are signals sold but still rising. So this was BNB. You can see I had given them this signal. You trade from here, I entered after here. This is where you can see that the market went all the way down, went down there. Then the market tried to deceive. Then I entered here. Here you can see there is, if you can see here, there is the candle crossed over above the line, then to enter. So to enter, you would enter here after this bullish engulfing pattern here. Then I took this ride up, and but for me I was not trading it, but I had given to the group. These are the signals that I had. XRP spot or long BNB. Okay, BNB was here. BNB was here before. Yes, then I told them long BNB. Then you can see now they made good amount of money. So that's why you have to be serious on the use this one candlestick strategy, a breakout. Imagine if the candle is like this, and if you are seeing that the market is going up like this, yes, what you have to do, if the candle is like this and there is a wick like this, mark the wick below here and mark where the candle is closing here. Don't put the wick above, so put a box. So let the market come below, then you find the entries like here. Sometimes the market might trick you and goes down. When it goes down, wait for the next candle. When you get two candles below which are red, you know that the market is going deep. Yes, you know, but sometimes it does this with one candle and retrace back and goes in its direction. So after seeing that it has changed the direction going up, then you enter. That's how you trade. So your here inside the box is your tradable zone. It is where you enter. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good night.